some जैसे there are some women who also make clay pots, but there are some women who will make weaving baskets. जो baskets है उसमें भी they will store some kind of things like fruits, vegetables. तो उसके लिए जो basket बनाते थे, तो some ladies were busy, some women were busy in this kind of work and some women were busy in weaving baskets. Okay. So that's how the entire why they are making this thing, so that they can store their grains, whatever the जो grains are produced from the farming, they can store this in a pot. Okay, so entire village was in such activity. जो वैसे हमेशा ready रहते थे in their activity. Now slowly darkness descended on the village. The cattle returned after grazing and settled down for the night in their sheds. The children also returned home and settled down to listen to story from their grandparents. The only sound that could be heard were the voices of a grandparent as they narrated stories to the young ones. The bleating of goats, the pounding of grains by a woman folk. The change which came about in lifestyle of the people within 7,000 years is evident from these two stories. यानी कि what kind of changes happen in this period of time from Gomtu story to Joga story. You can see there are so huge change in that. Now what they happen, जैसे ही darkness होती है तो all the cattle were returned their home, children also returned to their home. Now दूसरे जो grandparents होते हैं they story सुनाते हैं अपने young ones को. तो सिर्फ रात को सिर्फ grandparents का ही sound आता है जो अपने young ones को story सुनाते हैं. Animals जो होते हैं cattle है वो सब जो सभी animals होते हैं they also rest in their sheds. Okay, so you can see that the Gomathu and her family and Jama and her family दोनों की story में कितना difference है. There is a huge difference of lifestyle in such 7,000 years time में कितना changes आया है. That evidence we can prove with these two stories. Okay, so here we have compared these two. So there are some information about early farmers, जैसे कि the agriculturists and cattle rearer. Do we have any evidence that prove that the early human beings, the people were also agriculturists and cattle herders? So the archaeologists during the time of excavation, the archaeologists found many evidence that prove that the early people like Joma and her family were also farmers and cattle herders. So evidence to prove that they are farmers and cattle herders. जो है archaeologists they have found many evidence during the time of excavation. They have found such kind of tools and grains के जो specimens होते हैं उन पर से they have got and they have studied that and they have got idea about that the most of the early people were farmers and cattle herders. Now collect specimens of grains, tools of agriculture and bones of animals. Now what kind of evidence they have found during the time of excavation? So they have also found the specimens of grain, यानी जो grains they have grown. They also found the specimens of that. Some kind of tools they were used for farming. Some agricultural tools also. And bones of animals. यानी कि जो cattle herders होते हैं, okay? So ऐसे animals के bone they were used in farming. तो ऐसे animals के bone के evidence भी they have collected during the time of excavation. So this thing have found and this thing give information about the early farmers. Okay, that they were also used to farm. They produce their own food and store this for a future use. They also use some kind of animals to help. And they take some kind of help of some kind of animals. Okay. Now, what kind of evidence and from where this kind of evidence have found by the archaeologists? So there is a chart here. So archaeological evidences. So here wheat, barley, goat, sheep and cow. Okay. Now sheep and cow. So there are the bones of sheep and cow. The archaeologists found at the place of Mehrgarh जो place है present day में they are located in Pakistan. प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान में ये लोकेटेड है. From there during the time of excavation, archaeologists found many specimens of wheat, barley. They also found the bones of animals like goat, sheep and cow. Now rice. They found the specimens of rice and the bones of cow at the place of Mahagarh. Mahagarh is located in Uttar Pradesh. कहाँ पर है? It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Now wheat, dogs, cows, buffaloes, goats and sheep. That means the specimens of wheat and the bones of dogs, cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. They have found this kind of evidence from the Bujong. Bujong in Kashmir. Present day it is in located in Kashmir. Next, Juwar Bajri and the bones of cows. Specimens of Juwar Bajri and the bones of cows they have found. The archaeologists found at the place of Chirad. Chirad in Bihar. Present day it is situated. It is located in Bihar. Now there are some wheat grams and bones of buffalo. They are also found in Hullar. Hullar in Andhra Pradesh. Present day it is located in Andhra Pradesh. So these all kind of evidence the archaeologists found in this kind of places. So these all evidence prove that the early people who also started and used to farming. जो farming है उस farming करते थे. Because of there are some kind of tools they have during the time of excavation they have found like an evidence. There are some kind of tools that they were used in particularly in a farming, particularly to cut the crops. Such kind of tools they also describe the activities of early farmers. Okay, so case study of Mehrgarh and ancient place. So in previous chart we have learned about there are some kind of evidence that we have found from the Mehrgarh that prove that the early human there were also there is a beginning of farmer and cattle rearing. So graves excavated at the Mehrgarh have revealed that utensils were also buried along with the dead bodies. The dead remains of a goat have also been found in one grave in Mehrgarh. So during the archaeologists said during the time of excavation they have also found that they have observed that with the dead bodies there are some kind of tools, there are some kind of vessels, and there are some situations that they have found that some bones like animals के जो bones है which is also there with the dead bodies of humans. Okay, so जो ये grave during the time of excavation जो है there are some kind of bodies. तो उसके bodies के साथ they have also found the remains and evidence of they also found the evidence of vessels, and in such screen they also found कि जो goat है उसका भी bone मिला था in one case. तो they also it also proved that with the dead bodies उसके जो tamed animals होते हैं उसको भी उसके साथ दफनाया जाता था. Maybe they have strongly believed that there is a life after the death also. So because of that उनकी चीज़ें उनके जो tamed animals है उसको भी दफना लेते थे. Okay, so beginning of agriculture. So now how they began the farming. Those in early stage we all know that they were the hunter-gatherer. They wander anywhere in search of food, and whatever they hunt animals and eat it raw, and whatever they have found like vegetables, fruit, वो उनको खाते थे. But slowly they started getting knowledge of the food. Okay, what kind of food we should eat. knowledge of plants, knowledge of crops कि how to grow that crop, किस तरह से जो crops है उसको grow कर सकते हैं. Okay, किस तरह what kind of plant हम खा सकते हैं, what kind of plant we can use as a medicine, and what kind of plants are poisonous. This all kind of knowledge they have got slowly in the period of time. Okay, now उसको so that's how they get the knowledge of the food also. ओके, सो दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर कि नाउ दे हैव नो कि किस तरह से सीड को बो करना है। एंड जैसे ही जो क्रॉप्स है राइप हो जाते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू कलेक्ट इट। इस तरह से दे ऑल्सो गेट द नॉलेज कि फिर उसको कलेक्ट कर लेना है, एंड दे हैव दैट वी कैन स्टोर फॉर द फ्यूचर यूज ऑल्सो। सो नाउ टू स्टोर दैट ग्रेन्स दे नीड सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग टू स्टोर दैम। तो धीरे धीरे दे हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग clay pot. So now from the farm as a now that people have started farming as a their occupation. उन लोगों ने वो चीज़ अभी as a occupation set कर ली थी. Now their other occupation is that pottery. So that's how to comfort one situation, other occupation were also started. So it is kind of related to each other. Okay. So to store the food grains, they also started making clay pots. तो pottery का जो occupation they also started, right? So that's how they got knowledge कि food जो है किस तरह से seed bow करना है. Now it needs water, उनको water भी चाहिए, right? So this is the knowledge of food. Next is the beginning of settled life. Now there is a beginning of settled life. So a settled life begins with the men settling down at a place and not wandering anymore. We all know that the first in an early stage they wander in the search of food. But when they stopped wandering in the search of food and started living at the particular place, that is called a settled life. So in the settled life they also adopted agriculture as occupation. Now they have knowledge of food. उन लोगों को फूड का नॉलेज हो गया था, किस तरह से क्रॉप्स ग्रो करना है, उसको पानी चाहिए। ओके, तो दे नो कि क्रॉप्स को ग्रो होने के लिए दे नीड वाटर, तो इसीलिए वो रिवर के नज़दीक उसके जो फार्मिंग है उसके नज़दीक ही हट बना के उसमें रहने लगे, राइट? सो दे ऑल्सो अडोप्टेड एग्रीकल्चर एज अ ऑक्यूपेशन. नाउ दे ऑल्सो टेम एनिमल. ओके, खुद की हेल्प करने के लिए they use some kind of animals like goat and sheep used for the meat and milk. Now donkeys and horses they tamed to carry out the loads. Oxen were used to plow fields. Okay, so that's how they tame animals. Okay, that's how they tame animals, take their health. Now, and they also got knowledge that wheat, rice, this kind of crop they cultivate. Okay, so that's how this is the beginning of settled life. Now new lifestyle. So we know that then if we compare the old one to the new lifestyle of that primitive man, तो पहले क्या थे? They were the hunter gatherer. They don't know anything about that, right? So धीरे धीरे in new lifestyle they started making their own food. अपना जो food है वो खुद पका के खाने लगे, because in previous stage they eat the animals raw. वो कच्चा ही उसको hunt करके खा जाते. But now they have started using fire and cook their food. They also there are some different use of fire also there in the time of that people. Okay, so this is the new life. They also make pot. Now in pot को sun में bake करते थे. They store the grain, whatever the production and whatever the grains they have ripened and produced, they are stored in a pot. Okay, so there are two occupations were started like pottery and farming. Okay, so that is the new life of the people. Now the beginning of settled life. So if we cover the entire situation from Gomtu and her family to the Joma and her family, तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि how there is a beginning of human settled life. तो पहले क्या था? The people were hunter gatherer, they wander in the search of food. वो एक साथ मिल के एनिमल को हंट करते थे, उसको कच्चा खा लेते थे. Now they don't have any particular place also. उन लोगों की कोई particular place नहीं थी. उन लोगों की place change होती थी according to the season. And every day to search food is the main purpose. Okay, but slowly they have developed themselves. They got to overcome their difficulties. They have knowledge about many things. They have learned the many things to overcome their problems and difficulties. तो इसकी वजह से उन लोगों को काफ़ी सारा धीरे धीरे नॉलेज आया. जैसे उन लोग they have also observed that how to grow plants. तो उसमें से दे हैव स्टार्टेड फार्मिंग. नाउ वो फार्म करते थे तो दे हैव गॉट नॉलेज कि वी कैन ग्रो ऑन फूड, फूड को ग्रो करने लगे. सो नाउ उन लोगों को पता था कि द फार्मिंग जो है उसको क्रॉप्स को ग्रो होने के लिए दे नीड वाटर, तो दे स्टार्टेड लिविंग नियर द रिवर्स. ओके, और इस तरह से धीरे धीरे एक डिफिकल्टीज को ओवरकम करते हुए दे हैव गॉट मेनी नॉलेज अबाउट डिफरेंट स्किल एंड दे डेवलप मेनी स्किल्स, राइट. सो दिस इज the life from hunter gatherer to the settled life. Okay, so here we are at the end of this chapter. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
आभार.